This is the heart of every Neapolitan. I mean, this is just magic.
A mecca for football fans.
This used to be the San Paolo Stadium, and now it's called Stadio Diego Armando Maradona. The Diego Armando Maradona Stadium. When I was a little boy, imagine over 100,000 people in this stadium. It was like a huge party. On Sunday, the same way people that used to go to church and pray, they used to come here and pray to Maradona because they wanted to win. I wish if I could go back for you to come here and experience what I've experienced.
I would have loved to be here back then. I feel like it would have been incredible.
Match days also meant my mum making me and my dad's favorite packed lunch. Mamma's Maradona Meatballs Panini. First, break up 5 slices of white bread.
In the old days, to bulk up the meat, they used to put something that is cheap as bread. You put the milk on top of the bread, you soak it, and the milk and the bread will tenderize the meat. So once the milk is in there, get your fingertip and just break the bread into the milk. A little bit of salt, a couple of pinches.
Add some chopped parsley and pecorino cheese, followed by chopped garlic and black pepper.
Half teaspoon, quarter of a teaspoon. If you like pepper, just go for it.
Now, time for the meat. I'm using both minced pork and beef. Give everything a really good mix before adding 1 fresh egg.
It's very important that the mixture is wet because that means that the meatballs are going to be nice and tender. My father used to say to me, the wetter, the better. Time to roll the meatball. You put your hands into the water like that, pick up. So then when you roll them, they're not gonna stick into your hands. And with this amount of meat, you should be able to make 10 really nice meatballs.
After firming them up in the fridge for at least 30 minutes, place in a pan on a medium heat.
And we're just gonna gently cook them into the oil.
Once cooked, move on to the sauce.
Don't use another pan because clearly this pan now has all the flavor of the meat, which is fantastic.
Add 3 tins of chopped tomatoes.
So mix everything together, slowly, slowly.
Then pour in a few basil leaves and season.
Don't overdo it with the salt. And as soon as you see the sauce bubbling, then we're gonna add the meatballs. Simmer gently on a low heat. You could do for an hour, but if you want to make sure that you make the true Neapolitan meatball, 2 hours is the minimum.
It's time to serve up, just the way my mama used to do it.
You get the fingers, you go into the bread, and you take the dough out. You get a meatball, go straight in there, as many as you want. The last meatball goes on top, push it down.
Okay, you do, man.
No, you do your own. Push it down. Be careful my trousers, eh? Then get some of the dough that you took it out and you put it on top because you need to seal it. My mom used to give it this in the morning to me and my dad. We used to travel in a train, come all the way here. If you don't put a seal, the meatball would have it flying all over the place. So Rocco, I'm gonna take you exactly in the same spot where I used to sit with my dad.
Yeah? Where's that?
There. Curva B, section number 5. Come with me, my son.
That's incredible.
So simple.
It's really good.
Do you think one day, when I die, they're gonna rename this stadium the Gino D'Acampo Stadium?
There's no way.